Hello everyone! So if you want to set up an alarm on your Huawei Watch GT4, first of all, tap on the crown to activate your menu. Now we gotta find our alarm icon. Looks like this. Now simply you are to press Add Alarm. Let's do this. And now we are to set time. For example, let's set it on 10:30. Sounds good. Press check mark. Now choose whether to repeat it or not. So for example, let it be repeated on Saturday and Sunday. Press OK. And that's it. Now we've got our alarm on. So if you want to edit it, you can simply tap on it. Here you can edit a time, edit a repeat time, give it a label. So if we press label, all right, it's not working in this version. But so you know, there is such a chance. Maybe they will add it up later. Now, if you want to turn off your alarm, simply tap on the switch near it and it will be turned off. If you want to delete your alarm completely, simply tap on the alarm and press delete. Confirm your choice by pressing on the check mark. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.